Charlie Munger, the right-hand man of the greatest investor of all time, Warren Buffett, said this in an interview from 2003. Accumulating the first $100,000 from a standing start, with no seed money, is the most difficult part of building wealth. Making the first million was the next big hurdle. To do that, a person must consistently underspend his income. Getting wealthy is like rolling a snowball. It helps to start on top of a long hill. Start early and try to roll that snowball for a very long time. It helps to live a long life. For many people, the goal of earning the first $100,000 is a major milestone on the path to financial success. But why is it so hard to reach this goal? Hello and welcome to Brainy Lux, where we empower you to reach your full potential. There are many factors that can make it challenging to earn the first $100,000. Let's get started. Number 1. You may have limited resources. If you don't have any initial capital, you may have limited resources to invest in income-generating assets or to start a business. Number 2. It may take longer to see returns. Without any initial capital, it may take longer to see returns on your investments or to generate income from a business, which can make it harder to save and invest the first $100,000. Number 3. You may have to take on more risk. Without any initial capital, you may have to take on more risk in order to generate returns, which can be stressful and uncertain. Number 4. Limited job opportunities. The job market can vary significantly depending on where you live and the industries that are prevalent in your area. If you live in an area with a limited number of high-paying jobs, it may be more challenging to earn the first $100,000. Number 5. High cost of living. In some areas, the cost of living is very high due to factors such as high housing costs, expensive childcare, or high taxes. If the cost of living is high in your area, it may take more money to maintain your standard of living, which can make it harder to save and invest in order to reach your $100,000 goal. Number 6. Limited time. If you are working multiple jobs or have other responsibilities, such as caring for children or elderly family members, it may be difficult to find the time to pursue higher-paying opportunities or to develop the skills that would enable you to earn more money. Number 7. Lack of skills to grow money. Developing financial management skills can be important for growing your money over time. This may involve learning about different investment options, such as stocks, bonds, and real estate, and understanding the risks and potential returns associated with each option. It may also involve developing a budget and saving plan, as well as learning about financial tools and strategies that can help you grow your wealth over time. Overall, it's important to recognize that earning the first $100,000 is a significant accomplishment and will likely require a combination of hard work, persistence, and strategic planning. That being said, here are reasons why earning additional money beyond the first $100,000 may become easier over time. For example, as you gain more experience and education, you become more knowledgeable in making your money grow. You now know financial strategies that will help you in accumulating more wealth. You are also more valuable as you gained expertise in your career. You may have the opportunity to take on more responsibility and leadership roles, which often come with higher salaries. You also made connections and formed a network while on the journey to your first $100,000. Building relationships and networking with others in your industry can open up new opportunities and help you negotiate higher salaries. In conclusion, earning the first $100,000 is a significant financial milestone that can be challenging to achieve due to a variety of factors, including lack of experience or education, limited job opportunities, high cost of living, limited time, and personal circumstances. However, with hard work, persistence, and strategic planning, it is possible to overcome these challenges and reach this goal. In addition, developing financial management skills and investing in your education and knowledge can help you grow your money and achieve financial success in the long term. While the path to financial success may be challenging at times, It is ultimately a rewarding and fulfilling journey that can lead to a more secure and prosperous future. If you enjoyed this video, make sure to tip us by hitting the like button. Share it with your friends so we can keep making them. Don't forget to subscribe to our channel for more life-changing videos. Thank you for watching, and be sure to check out our other videos for more tips and advice on health, wealth, motivation, and wellness.